Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Memory Management BSOD in Valorant while try to launch the game or whenever you try to close the game. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up File Explorer, go to this PC, local disk C. In search you just need to type 39266, comes up 392667600. Just right click on it and delete it. Select continue, and now you just need to search VGK boot status. Just right click on it and select delete it. Select continue. After deleting this both files, you just need to close stuff here. Now launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, I have a list of programs that are currently conflicting with the game and gives you memory management error. First one is Blades, and the second one is Overwolf Valorant Tracker. The third one is Insights Video Capture, and the fourth one is Ice Software, and the fifth one is Discord, and the sixth one is MSI Dragon Center, and the seventh one is Omen Software. If you have installed these programs in your PC, I recommend to uninstall completely guys. If you don't want to uninstall them, then you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. If any of these programs running in the background, then just right click on it and select End Task It. After closing these programs, you just need to close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. On left side select device security. On right side select core isolation details. You just need to turn off the memory integrity guys. Select yes. And now you just need to close tab here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.